In this video, we solve problem 2 of Unit 14. This problem, we have two ions, which are lithium 6 and lithium 7. I'm going to use the following notation. So lithium 6, I'm going to call particle 1. And lithium 7, I'm going to call particle 2. So they both pass through a velocity selector. Okay, that means that when they exit the velocity selector, the speed of one and the speed of the second one, they have to be the same one because of the velocity selector. I'm just going to call it V. Okay, and then they enter a mass spectrometer. If the diameter of the circular orbit for the lithium 6 is 15 centimeters, this is if let's call it twice the radius for the particle 1 is 15 centimeters, they're asking what is the diameter for the second one. So this is our objective, okay? So the easiest way here is to remember that once they enter the mass spectrometer, they're going to display a circular path with a radius that is equal to their mass times their speed divided by their charge and the magnetic field used in both. Okay, so we're going to have that for the first particle, this is going to be the mass of the first particle times its speed, which is going to be the same as for the second one, so I just use V, divided by the charge of the first one, which is equal to the charge of the second one, because they are both charged with just one proton. The charges are the same. They just have one electron. They just lack one electron. Okay, so it's the same charge. And here the magnetic field, which is also equal for both. Okay, so this is going to be M2V divided by Q times B. Okay, so if I want to know what the diameter is, I just have to multiply this by 2. Okay, so if you divide these two expressions, you can get that twice the first radius divided by twice the second radius is going to be equal, as all the rest are the same, to the ratio between both masses. Okay, so the diameter of the second one is going to be the mass of the second one divided by the mass of the first one, the ratio of masses, times the diameter of the first. Okay, what is the ratio between masses for these two ions? Well, they have to have they have the same number of electrons, and they just have 6 times sorry, this is M7, so this is 7 divided by 6. Okay, this is the ratio, because there are these ions. Okay, so you just have to multiply the 15 centimeters, so twice the radius of the second one is going to be 7/6 times 15 centimeters, which provides that the diameter for the second one is going to be 17.5 centimeters.